Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. I just received this box through FedEx from General Vision from my good friend Guy, and let's see what he has sent me. All I know is that inside there is something that he has sent me to add support for it in Visuino, and since they're specialized in AI chips, obviously it has to do something with AI. Now I already support in Visuino their AI shield, you can check it out, but from what I understand, what's inside the box is even much more powerful than the shield. So let's see what we will have inside. With the help of Rusty, pop the box open. Unwrap the inner box, put the big box aside. Obviously nothing else inside here. And here we go. So this is artificial intelligence hardware. Okay, sounds good. It's an M500 base, so very similar to the shield. Okay, well, yeah, that was the bottom of the box. So this is the Prodigy board, and it's effectively AI board specifically designed for computer vision with built-in camera. Let's open the box. Okay, here we have adapter. Yeah, we will not be needing it. Well, actually we probably will need it since I'm in the United States. And let's see, so we have the board, sounds good. We have the camera packed separately with protector. Oh boy, we have some mounting bolts for it, and one of them has run away here. So two mounting bolts for the camera. Again, the board itself and what we have here. So we have USB, micro USB, and we have adapter, which happens to be for 220 European standard, but with this adapter I can connect it and use it in the US. So it is 12 volts, okay, DC. So yeah, I may have some, the size is kinda small. In case I don't have any other adapters, I can use it like this, but we shall see. So let's take a look at the board itself, which is the most interesting item in the box. Take it from the anti-static back and take a look. So it is lattice FPGA, and it has place for neural network stamps expansions. I have some stamps, so you can stack multiple stamps here to increase the number of neurons, as they're called. Again, the chip, the built-in chips on those stamps, they have RBF or KNN. It can be switched between and mixed between the two modes, depends on how many classifiers you want to instantiate. And then yeah, it has two chips already here, and with adding more stamps you can add more chips and expand the knowledge. So the camera obviously will be mounted right here. Apparently like this. And I can even go ahead and mount the camera, since I will be starting work on this shield in Visuino more or less right away. I'll go and fetch a screwdriver. This one should do, place one of the bolts in one of the, turns out the screwdriver is slightly magnetic, place the bolt in one of the holes, loosely tighten, place the second one in the second hole, seems to be slight tension. Okay, adjusted itself, and now I can go ahead and tighten them both. And here it is, the shield is ready. Now I can pop the camera open and start visual training for object recognition. Again, it's a standard Arduino Uno form shield, a bit bigger than average, and if I recall correctly, it uses SPI for the communication with the shield, predominantly SPI. It also has micro SD, so you can do image recognition from the micro SD as well. I'll have to study, but from what I see here, it seems to have either microphone or speaker. No, this is a microphone, yeah. So it has a microphone, camera. So with the FFT functionality in Visuino Pro, you should be able to do speech recognition as well. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting and nice device for computer vision, and this appears to be HDMI here, so you probably can connect external monitor and monitor what's coming on the camera while doing the training. So obviously quite a powerful and capable board made in South Korea. And yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. Now I have to go and start exploring the shield and figuring out how to map it in Visuino. Again, with the existing mapping of the existing Neuro shield, I should have at least the foundations, and this is just a much more powerful version of the shield with plenty of additional functionality. So stay tuned and we'll see, monitor my progress, and we'll see hopefully soon you will have support of this shield in Visuino together with everything else. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye everyone.